Before we get started, I would like to notify you all on the aircraft that I am currently selling. I've added a few more, but first, they're all 1/400 scale. Just some are Phoenix models and some are Gemini jets. First up, we have a Phoenix model 777-200LR house livery. Phoenix model 777-200ER retro house livery. Gemini Jets China Eastern MD-83. MD-82. Phoenix model 737 MAX 9 house livery. Gemini Jets BEA A319. Philippines A319. Gemini Jets Air Canada Air J175. And a Gemini Jets Thai Airways ATR-72. Link in the description for my eBay if you guys are interested, or you can just contact me through my Instagram. Link also in the description. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and we are doing the Gemini Jets collection update. But it isn't just Gemini Jets, it's just my 1/400 scale 200th model collection update. And we have Gemini Jets, Phoenix models, NG models, etc. Because some I don't know the name of because they didn't come in a box. But yeah, this is all 1/400 scale. I have 201 400 scale aircraft. A couple are unrealistic, but bear with me, folks. Let's just get to the intro and get started. Back from the intro, and we start off. We start off saying this. The order is a little weird, so again, bear with me. And it's just these three rows right here, and then it gets normal. But yeah, again, let's just start with number 1. Delta ASA ATR-72, Delta CRJ 700, Delta 737-700, Delta 717, Delta 8220-100, Delta 8220-300, Delta 737-800, Delta 737-900, Delta A321, Delta first release A321, Delta 1980 colors MD-88, Delta 1980 colors MD-88, Delta 2007 livery MD-88, Delta current 2007 livery MD-90, Delta 757-200 without winglets, SkyTeam livery Delta 757-200, Delta 757-200, Delta 757-300, Delta 767-300, Delta 767-300ER, Delta A330-300, Delta A330-900 or A330neo, 900 neo, Delta 777-200ER, Delta 777-200LR November 701 Delta November, Delta 777-200LR November 702 Delta November, Delta 777-200LR November 704 Delta Kilo, November 7 Delta 777-200LR November 705 Delta November, Delta 777-200LR November 707 Delta November, Delta 777-200LR November 708 Delta November, Delta 777-200LR November 708 Delta November, Delta A350-900 November 702 Delta November, United 777-300ER new livery, United new livery 787-10, United current livery 787-9, United new livery 777-200ER, United current livery 787-8, United new livery 767-300ER, United new livery 767-300ER, United current livery 767-300ER, United, I don't know what this livery is called, but L1011, United San Francisco livery 757-200. United Star Alliance livery 757-200. United 757-200 without winglets. United 737 MAX 9. United new livery 737-800. United current livery 737-800. United current livery 737-700. United new livery 730. United new livery A319. Sorry, I don't know what this livery is called, but United 737-300. United new livery ERJ 175. United current livery ERJ 175. United current livery ERJ 170. United Battleship Grace ERJ 200. American 777-300 ER. American A330-300. American 777-200 ER. American 767-300 ER. American 757-200. American Chrome livery 757-200. American Chrome livery MD83. American new livery 2014 livery A321neo. American A321. American 737 MAX 8. American One World livery 737-800. American Chrome livery 737-800. American Chrome livery 737-800. American Chrome livery 737-800 without winglets. American 2014 livery A319, A320. American Allegheny livery A319. American ERJ 190. American ERJ 170. American old livery ERJ 145. American old livery CRJ 200. Southwest Desert Gold livery 737-200 or classic livery. Southwest Lone Star 1 737-300. Southwest Canyon Blue livery without winglets 737-700. Southwest Tennessee 1 737-700. Southwest Louisiana 1 737-700. Southwest Illinois 1 737-700. Air Trans 737-700. Southwest Max 8 Heart 1 livery 737-Max 8. 737 Max 8, my bad. JetBlue Bippity Boppity Blue livery 70 A320. JetBlue Fire Department of New York City A320. JetBlue A321neo. Alaska ERJ 175. Alaska Horizon livery Q400. Alaska A319. Alaska old livery 737-700. Alaska new livery 737-700. Alaska A320. Alaska 737-900 without winglets. Alaska 737 MAX 9. Alaska A321neo. Alaska Mortal Love livery A321neo. U.S. Airways livery A319. U.S. Airways, don't know what this livery is called, A319. No, America West livery A319. U.S. Airways Piedmont livery A319. U.S. Airways America West livery A319. This is like Horizon Air, right? Yeah. I'm sorry. U.S. Airways A319, Nevada livery. U.S. Airways A319, Arizona Cardinals livery. U.S. Airways 737-400. U.S. Airways A330-200. Spirit Airlines Banana Bus livery. A320neo. Spirit A321. Spirit A321. Allegiant A319. Allegiant A320. Allegiant MD88. Elite TWA ATR-72, TWA 717, US Air BAC 111, I think it is, US Air 737-400, Pan Am 737-200, Pan Am DC-8, Eastern DC-9, Eastern DC-8-9, Eastern L-1011-10, FedEx 737-800, FedEx 777-200 LR 200F, UPS MD-11, UPS 747-8, BBJ 737-700, Miami Air 737-800, Patriot 767-300, 737 MAX 9 house livery 777-200 retro house livery, 777-200 LR current house livery, U.S. Navy C-40 737-700, U.S. Navy P-8 Poseidon 737-800, Omega Fuel Tanker 707, United States Air Force E4 was it? I think it's the E4 747-200, Dover Air Force Base C-5 Galaxy, Air Canada ERJ-175, Air Canada ERJ-175, Air Canada Q400, Air Canada CS300, A220S300, WestJet Saab 340, WestJet 737 MAX 8, old current livery, WestJet 737 MAX 8 new livery, Earhart livery, Fokker 100, KLM DC-8, KLM AC30-200, KLM 100-year livery, flaps up, 787-10, KLM 100-year livery, flaps down, 787-10, British Airways retro livery 737-500, British Airways BEA livery A319, British Airways A320neo, British Airways A321neo, British Airways Concorde, British Airways 777-200ER, British Airways BOAC livery 747-400, British Airways retro livery 747-400, British Airways current livery 747-400, British Airways A350-1000, Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330-200, Virgin Atlantic thank you livery Airbus A340, Air France A350-900, Air France 777-300ER, Air France Airbus A380-800, Lufthansa A321neo, Lufthansa 707, Lufthansa A330-300, Lufthansa A340-300, Virgin Australia ERJ-190, Virgin Australia 777-300ER, Qantas Fokker 100, Qantas 717, Qantas A320, Qantas retro livery 737-800, Qantas retro livery with the golden stripes 737-800, Qantas in the Bring It On livery current livery 737-800, Qantas new livery silver stripes 737-800, Qantas retro livery 707, Qantas new livery A330-300, Qantas 100-year livery 787-9, Qantas new livery A380, Qantas new livery Airbus A380, Rex Saab 340, Silver ATR-72, Thai Airways ATR-72, Republic Convair 340, is it? Aloha Air Cargo 737-200, Western 737-300, Philippine A319, Air Asia A320neo, Frontier A320neo, Aeromexico 737 MAX 8, Thomas Cook A321, China Eastern MD-83, Copa MAX 9 livery 737 MAX 9, Valoris A321, Aerosource Cargo 727, Maliv Illusion, Hungarian Airlines, Illusion. I don't know the name of this one actually. Fuels Aeromexicana 787-8, Western Global MD-11, Yaminia 747SP, Cargolex 747-8, small 747 next to the biggest 747, Airbridge Cargo 747-8, and last but not least, the biggest aircraft, longest aircraft I have, Emirates 777-9X. And that is it for the collection update. These are all my aircraft. I'm sorry I messed up. I don't know if you could hear my voice in the video tiring out, but just stretching that kind of gave it a lot. But yeah, it's a lot in whatever time that took. I reckon about, was it 8 minutes? I think it was about 8 minutes to say that. Yeah, we got from number 1 to number 200. Airport should be opening up back soon. When you do see the next update, this taxiway right here will be fixed, and so will this one over here. Alright, next video should be the room tour around my airport room. Hoping y'all are excited about that. And there's a thunderstorm approaching. Been some violent thunderstorms around the Atlanta area lately. But oh yeah, trip report coming up on the 21st. Going to Miami, folks. But oh yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I keep forgetting to do this on like basically every video. This is just like kind of an aerial helicopter view. I keep forgetting to do this. I do it in the thumbnails, but like I just never show actual footage of it. So yeah, here it is. And then we have the ground level view. This is it. All right.